Okay, Beast, what's up? Welcome to my garden. This video is sponsored by 3 raw whole chickens. So lately my life has turned into a chase for content, a constant chase for content, and that is why today I will be carving 3 whole chickens into their respective portion sizes for the week. Now the reason I am starting to do this is because, one, buying whole chickens saves a lot of money. The labor costs to dissect this into the different parts adds to the cost of the pieces that you buy, and therefore if you do it yourself, firstly you can learn a skill, secondly you can save some money, and thirdly, on a moral standpoint, when you go to the shops and you see your drumsticks and you see your breasts and you see everything else like that, I think that society is starting to be desensitized by what they're eating. Whereas when you buy a whole f***ing chicken like this, you know exactly what animal this is, and therefore I think on the quest for eating less meat, if you know exactly, if you aren't comfortable holding a chicken like this and butchering it yourself, then you shouldn't be comfortable just eating the breast or eating the wing or eating the thigh or drumstick. So yeah, that is another part of this whole thing. So from each chicken, 2 breasts, 2 drumsticks, 2 thighs, 2 wings, and an entire carcass that we can use for stock. Okay, let's start with this middle beast. They're quite cold, they've been in the fridge, and please do not judge my style. I'm trying my best. First, so what do? Skin next to the drumstick. There we go. Yeah. How's it? I'm just butchering some chickens.
No, I'm in the tree felling business now.
Okay.
My name's Ryan, by the way.
Mike.
Cool, Mike.
Keep well.
Enjoy.
Thanks, sir. Keep well. Sorry, had the doorbell go. Okay, so tear down. You see the joint come out there. Simply cut around the joint. And just like that, we got a beautiful drumstick and thigh. Let's do that again. Skin, cut. Yes, I sound like a South African Gordon Ramsay. Joint, out. Do you see it there? Cut, around. And just like that, second thigh. Excellent work, Mike Wright. Okay. Now I'm getting wings. You just feel for the joint. Cut around. Mash that up a bit, but there we go. Beautiful whole wing. Put that over there. Same with this. Just cut around. My knife skills aren't good, so anyone judging me on the knife skills, please. Okay, wing. Ladicious. Now, the Rolls Royce. Knife, feel, cut, all the way down the breastbone. And you can just see how you can just follow that . And there you've got your breast. You just follow the knife down, breast, skin on, beautiful. Let's do it again. Same thing, straight down. Keep as much meat as possible. Cut all the way around. Cut, cut. Guide with the knife. Up, 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 and breast. So now, carcass. Breast. Breast. Wing. Wing. Whole leg, which you can then feel the joint. This is the one that always gets me. So you feel the joint over there. And you just slice through. Drumstick. Thigh. Let's try that again. Joint. And please critique me on these knife skills. Anyone. I've literally, this is my 4th time doing this. Joint. Feel. Down. That one worked far better. Drumstick. Thigh. And we put it on our plate over here. So, carcass for stock. That's going to be beautiful. Put that there. Breast. Breast. Drumstick. Drumstick. Thigh. Thigh. And the 2 wings. So there you have it, beast modes. I've just, in the space of 20 minutes, butchered 3 chickens for the week, for stock, for breasts, for drumsticks, for all the meals that you want. Saved a lot of money. Used the full animal as intended. I think the next step here is to find a local butcher that you can get your chicken from and make this whole process from the production side to the actual cooking side a lot more holistic, I suppose, if there's any word for it. But so now I've shown you this, and in return I've got chicken juice all over my camera equipment. Thank you for watching this. Instead of drinking coffee, I'll butcher some chickens or do something else. Have a lekker one. Keep safe.